Right then, let's make kettle corn. I got my popcorn. I got my oil. I got the tablespoon for measuring the popcorn and the oil. I have my sugar bowl. I have my special popcorn salt. I have my target bowl. And last but not least, I've got my Whirley Pop. First, I'm going to put a little oil into the bottom of the Whirley Pop. Just that much. Even less sometimes. Going to turn the Whirley Pop on high as instructed. Going to add 2 or 3 tablespoons of popcorn kernels. That's 2. I'm not that hungry. Okay, because this is kettle corn, I'm going to leave the hood up for a little while. There's something we are looking for here. What we want to see in this popcorn is for it to be fat and steamy like it's about to pop. So, here's an example of what that does not look like. This is getting better. Can you hear the hissing? Looking in now, do you see how they're getting just a little bit? Whoa, time to move. Add 2 or even just 1 teaspoon of sugar. Close the lid, start turning your crank. Turn that crank. As directed, stop when the popping slows down, and out comes your kettle corn. Not quite kettle corn yet, because while it is still soft, we want to hit it with salt. You also want to use care in tossing the corn in the salt, because it'll be extra hot due to the layer of sugar. And there you have it, under 2 minutes to grate kettle corn.